Guys, nice weapon here. All metal, not plastic. Feels like a rifle. Feels like a big boy. Compared to some, you know, the M&P 22s and the MP5, HK, Umarex, still MP5, but it feels very plasticky. This feels like the real deal. If you held one back to back, right, you pick up a Smith & Wesson M&P 22 long rifle is what I'm talking about, and then you pick this thing up right after, you can tell this thing's the real deal. Cool looking weapon. It's got the threaded barrel, sling mount. Dust cover that's not fake, it actually works. Feels very similar to an M4 AR style rifle. Pretty sure this is what they smoke Bin Laden with. The big boy version of the 416, either 5.56 or 7.62 308. I'm not sure exactly what it was. Probably 5.56. Definitely one of those two. With all the goodies attached to it, I'm sure. Cool guy stuff. Double tap, 2 to the chest, 1 in the head. Ha 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 ha. I had to hold my target up with my knife. Now I'm trying to shoot my knife. Let's go see if we got it. Oh yeah, we got it. Look at the handles all broken off and whatnot. Love it, still functional. Let's go for it again. I'm gonna be late for work too because of this. I'm definitely gonna be late. I gotta leave after this, but I'm still gonna be late. You know what I'm gonna tell the boss? If he's upset, I'm gonna say, listen, dude, do you feed your kids before you come to work? Well, I'm feeding mine. This thing's damn accurate. It's quick rundown. Just gonna go over it one last time real quick, show you guys. The HK 416D and 22 long rifle. Here's the box, here's everything it comes with. User manual, 1 magazine, lock, couple of tools, and the weapon itself. Did not come with that optic or that bipod. I put those on separately. So just note that. Comes with flip up iron sights only and 1 magazine. Couple of key things to note about this. Solid built weapon, feels to me. It's all metal. Doesn't have that plasticky feel like a lot of 22 long rifle style rifles do, in my opinion. The dust cover here, functional dust cover. Forward assist, non-functional. Bolt release button, non-functional. Mag release button, obviously functional. M-lock rails, sling attachment point, and I do believe that's a sling attachment point. Safety here. Indicator on the other side. HK Umarex, semi-automatic, fun little gun. Retractable buttstock. Rail system on the top. I found it to be quite accurate straight out of the box. It was pretty much dead on. I had a couple failure to ejects. Nothing crazy, like 2 over 300 rounds. And I contribute that to the massive amount of oil I put in there when the manual said to only use 2 drops. That, and also, you know, it needs a little break-in period. So I only put like 300 rounds through it. So I'm not worried about a couple failure to ejects. Overall, I like this weapon. Fun little toy, great for training. 22 long rifle, but definitely dangerous if not used properly. And yeah, that's all I got to say about it. I love it. Pretty looking thing too, isn't it? Oh, one last thing. The bolt remains open on an empty mag. So you cannot hold the bolt open without a mag in there because the bolt release button is non-functional, I guess is what I would say. So well, that's not entirely true, guys. If you look in the magazine well, there's a lever right here. That would be the bolt catch, I think that would be. If you pull the handle, the charging handle, stick your finger in there, push that lever, and slowly release the handle, your bolt will remain open. So that's one way of doing it. You have to pull the handle to send the bolt home. That's all, not that big a deal. And I would recommend using a pen or some other object to stick in there. And definitely don't be sticking your finger way up into the chamber, just because if you accidentally let go of the handle and your finger's in there, it's gonna hurt. One final thing. On the bottom of the pistol grip handle, there's this knob here. And if you turn that knob, there is a little storage compartment right inside the pistol grip handle. And you know, you can put cleaning tools in there or whatever. See you guys. All right, guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys around.